Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Increasing French Learning. In my today's video, we learn some useful French phrases. So friends, let's start. Nice to meet you in French. We say enchanté, enchanté. How to say have a nice weekend in French? We say bon weekend, bon weekend. We say see you soon in French as à bientôt. À bientôt. We say I am fine, thank you in French as je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci. How to say it's snowing in French? We say il neige. Il neige. We say see you tomorrow in French à demain. À demain. We say have a good day in French as bonne journée. Bonne journée. How to say it's very cold today? In French, we say il fait très froid aujourd'hui. Il fait très froid aujourd'hui. How to say well done in French? We say well done in French as bien fait. Bien fait. We say happy journey in French as bon voyage. Bon voyage. I'm very happy for you in French as je suis très content pour toi. Je suis très content pour toi. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and follow. Thank you for watching.